Click on the link below to get price. The Sintron RV Power Outlet Box is designed to meet the needs of recreational vehicle enthusiasts seeking a reliable and functional power source. With a focus on practicality and user experience, this outlet box offers a robust solution for those who require electrical connectivity while on the road or during stationary use. Measuring its performance and functionality begins with understanding its construction and features. The Sintron RV Power Outlet Box is equipped with a 50 Amp NEMA 14-50R Receptacle, which allows for both 125 and 250 volt electrical connections. This versatility accommodates a range of electrical needs, making it suitable for various RV appliances and tools. The box itself is built from durable materials, ensuring resilience against outdoor elements, which is particularly important for those who often find themselves in rugged environments. Installation of the Sintron outlet box is designed to be straightforward, allowing users to connect it to their existing electrical systems with relative ease. The unit comes with clear instructions and is compatible with standard wiring practices, making it accessible for both experienced individuals and those new to electrical setups. Its compact design provides convenience without taking up excessive space, making it a practical addition to the exterior of an RV or a garage. In terms of usage, the Sintron RV Power Outlet Box is versatile. Users can connect various appliances, from air conditioners to heaters, depending on their power needs. This flexibility is particularly beneficial during camping trips or when parked at a stationary location, as it provides the opportunity to enjoy all the comforts of home. Additionally, the box is designed to safely manage high amperage, giving users peace of mind regarding the balance of power and safety. In conclusion, the Sintron RV Power Outlet Box serves as a reliable option for individuals seeking a high-capacity power solution for their recreational vehicles. With its durable construction, straightforward installation process, and capability to support a variety of electrical demands, this product offers a practical answer to the power needs of RV enthusiasts. Whether on the road or parked at a campsite, users can appreciate the convenience this outlet box brings to their outdoor experiences.